Hi guys, this is Eric with Core Rebuild, and today we're going to cover the seat module for 3 to 5 Ford Explorer and Mercury Mountaineer. These only come on vehicles equipped with memory seats, so if your vehicle does not have memory, you do not need to follow any of this information. We keep these in stock. They are all fully tested. We make the preemptive repair that fixes the no communication problem, which would result in your memory not working or your seat not working. To pull this module, you need to remove the seat. There are 4 15mm bolts and 1 Phillips screw right here on the side of this, as well as 4 electrical connectors, 3 of which are used. A common problem with these, a common symptom would be that the seat does not move, that the seat does not go back to your position, and you can verify the module is a problem with a scan tool that can test more than just engine trouble codes. If you cannot communicate with this seat module, this is likely the problem. All of our modules are fully tested for communication and come with a 60-day warranty.